Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. At first, my name is Marwa. I am a data scientist, and today we will talk about real-life examples of data science, AI, in farming and agriculture field. Data science helps farmers to produce more food with fewer resources by using data to optimize every aspect of production, from planting to irrigation to pest control. Farmers are able to increase yields and decrease inputs. This is vital as the world's population continues to grow and the amount of arable land decreases. In China, for example, agronomic data scientists are working with farmers to use machine learning to predict crop yields. This information is then used to determine how much water and fertilizer to use, which helps farmers to reduce wastage and increase profits. In the United States, data science is being used to develop precision agriculture, which uses sensors and mapping technology to track soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop growth in order to optimize production. This type of farming reduces costs and increases yields and has a lower environmental impact than traditional farming methods. As these examples show, data science changes how we farm and making it possible to feed the world's growing population sustainably. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe for more videos, inshallah. And you will find the resources in the description box and the other parts of this series in the description box also.